my movie.
So Hudson, can you look over there?
Yeah.
Say hi, Fox friends.
Hi, friends.
Hi guys. We got really inspired by Kendra's video today. So we thought we would come to you from Hudson's kitchen and show you guys a little bit of what we've been up to. And we're going to show you guys how to make coffee, aka vanilla steamers and mochas and lattes. We are using a Breville espresso machine and a milk frother, but we'll show you some tricks at the end of how to make them with stuff you already have in your pantry. So are you ready to get started, Hudson?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take our coffee grounds. Hudson's got the scoop. Can you scoop it up for me?
With the cooper?
Yeah, with the scooper.
One.
Yeah, put it in there. Good job. Okay, can you tap it in? Yeah. Oh, good job. Good job. And yes, we have washed our hands, but the sink is behind us, so. Good job. Okay, so we've scooped our coffee. We've tapped it down into the machine. Can you get the lid out of the frother, bud?
Why?
Because we got to take the lid out.
Please.
Oh, good job. Okay, can you bring it over here so I can pour the milk in? Hold it with 2 hands. 2 hands.
Why?
So that Mom doesn't over stir it. Okay. And can you put it back up on the frother?
Yes.
Yep. Good job. Can you put the lid on? So we filled it to the fill line. You guys can't really see this over here, but Hudson. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. We got our milk frothing over here. All right. So now for the fun part. We are going to, for Hudson's cup, we are going to make a vanilla steamer. And what kind of coffee is this for you, Hudson? Are we making you, what kind of coffee are we making you?
I have a mocha.
You want a mocha?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Black book.
So what you may or may not know is that this Starbucks will sell you the vanilla syrup. You can find other brands in the grocery store. But if they have enough in stock, they will sell you bottles of this. So in the bottom of our cup, I don't have a pump. So it's kind of just enough to cover a little bit of the bottom of a coffee cup. Is enough. And then we are going to use good old chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup?
Chocolate syrup. You gonna squeeze it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? And this is probably a good dollop in the bottom. You want it to be good and chocolatey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? So while we're waiting for the milk to warm up, we're gonna make dabs. Same thing. I'll show a zoomed in. You're gonna help me? Okay, you pour it in there, Hudson. How do I? Good job.
Now so empty.
We'll take a look in there. I don't know if it's really hard to show you guys here.
What's in there?
How much is in there? We're gonna add a little bit more than that for the big cup, but that's about how much like to cover the bottom of like a regular coffee cup. But this is a big go mug. Gotta have the go mug when you've got kids, or else you'll never finish a hot cup of coffee. Okay, leave that on.
What am I doing? Well, I'm making my movie.
You making your movie?
Cheese.
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 So that's what you want for a double cup.
Guys, see?
Yep. Can you show them the inside of your cup?
Okay.
Yeah, hold the, can you show them the inside?
No.
Can you swirl your cup around for me? Good job. Okay. So now we're gonna pull the espresso shots. Okay, Hudson, can you reach the lever for me?
What?
Okay, you gotta turn it. Yep.
Help.
Help. Turn. Turn. All right, here it comes, you guys.
Here.
Here it comes. You watch it? Oh, wrong way, buddy. There we go. Yeah, it's coming. All right, get a good thick cream on the top. All right. Okay, hold the cup steady, Hudson.
Wait.
Ready? Okay. Now you gotta stir it.
I do it.
You gonna stir it? Good job. You mix all the coffee up.
Good. I'm done with it.
Good job. I find the milk frother steamer, the heater I have, works really great for Hudson temperature. The adults like it usually a little bit hotter.
I need the lid off.
No, you gotta leave the lid on.
Why?
Because it's not done yet, remember? What has to happen? What happens to the light? What happens to the light when it's done?
It makes it blue.
Yeah.
What blue means?
It's all done.
Why? Done yet? Now?
Not yet.
Making me coffee?
Yeah.
I'm helping.
Helping?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Up. You gotta keep turning it and turning it. I'll show you guys what we're doing here. We are. There's the milk frother happening. And just to kind of help it from spilling over, which
Mommy,
sometimes
Mommy.
it's just messy. Yeah, buddy?
I'm having a mocha next time.
Yeah?
Mommy, I'm having a mocha.
Yeah? Do you like mochas?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I do.
All right. I'm gonna turn it off. So,
Make it neck.
now, I don't know. You guys can see this part. Do you want to be my cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the camera. Can you hold it up so that... There you go, hold it like that. That's right, guys. So, to get the milk in on the top, and then the froth on top. I'm not very good at making latte art, so you'll have to bear with me. Alright, let's see what we can do with Hudson's latte, or mocha. What are you having again, Hudson?
A mocha.
A mocha?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna pour it or you want me to pour it?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay,
Hi,
2
Dad.
hands on the black. 2 hands. Good job.
I want a mocha.
There we go.
Have a
Do you need to
cupcake?
stir it?
Yeah. Because it's too...
And bonus is the nice, lovely looking whip on top. Good job. You gonna take a taste? Let me know if it tastes good.
No.
No?
Tastes good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. I'm done with it.
You all done with it?
Yeah. Can I have a cupcake? Can I bring my cupcake to the table?
You You gonna take your coffee to the table?
No, my cupcake.
Your cupcake.
Yeah.
This is definitely a messy process, you guys, even with all of the fancy coffee making tools. However, if you want to do this at home for the kiddos, a little different than hot chocolate, take your milk, about a tablespoon or a couple tablespoons of honey, depending on how big your cup is, and some good old-fashioned vanilla extract. Heat it up in the microwave or in a pot, and it's kind of the at-home version, what you probably have in your pantry, in order to make. It was warm milk, is what my mom called it when I was a kid. Hudson calls it endearingly his coffee, but it's kind of what I use if I don't have the syrup or don't really feel like doing this to my kitchen. It works really well, and it's actually really soothing if you need a little help falling to sleep. So, hope you guys liked it, and we're gonna try and do this. I think it's a fun idea for Hudson and I, playing in the kitchen. He helps me with his kitchen helper all of the time. It's very well loved in our household. We miss you guys and hope you're all having fun and being safe at home. Bye-bye.